Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're passionate about woodworking or just love creating beautiful things with your hands, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of DIY wooden creations that you can make and sell for cash. Creating DIY wooden items can be both a satisfying hobby and a profitable venture. As more people seek unique home decor and functional pieces, the demand for handcrafted wooden creations continues to rise. In this article, we will explore various DIY wooden creations that you can make and sell for cash, combining creativity with entrepreneurship. The allure of wooden creations. Wood has an intrinsic charm that resonates with many. Its natural beauty, durability, and versatility make it a preferred material for a wide range of projects. From rustic furniture to intricate decor items, wooden creations can appeal to various markets. Starting with the basics. Before diving into specific projects, it's essential to gather the necessary tools and materials. Basic tools like saws, drills, and sanders, along with quality wood, are fundamental to crafting high-quality items. Understanding woodworking techniques will also enhance your ability to create pieces that stand out in the market. Home decor items. One of the most popular categories for DIY wooden creations is home decor. Items such as wooden signs, picture frames, and wall art can be customized to cater to different tastes. By using appealing designs and finishes, these items can become sought-after decorations for homes, offices, and gift shops. Furniture projects. Furniture makes up a significant portion of the DIY wooden market. Small furniture pieces like side tables, benches, and storage boxes are not only functional, but also opportunities for creative expression. Using reclaimed wood or unique designs can add value to your furniture creations, making them more attractive to potential buyers. Kitchen accessories. The kitchen is another area where wooden creations can thrive. Handmade cutting boards, utensils, and spice racks are not just functional items, but also appealing gifts. Customization options, such as engraving or unique designs, can help these kitchen accessories stand out in a crowded market. Garden and outdoor items. Outdoor wooden creations, such as birdhouses, planters, and garden benches, have a specific appeal. They cater to gardening enthusiasts and those looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. Adding personal touches or creative designs can attract buyers who appreciate craftsmanship in their gardens. Children's toys and furniture. There is a growing market for handmade wooden toys and children's furniture. Eco-conscious parents often seek durable and safe options for their children, creating unique, seasonal products. Seasonal wooden creations can generate significant interest during holidays. Items like Christmas ornaments, Halloween decorations, and Easter blocks can be crafted and sold during their respective seasons. By tapping into holiday trends, you can maximize your sales potential throughout the year. Customization and personalization. Personalization is a powerful selling point for wooden creations. Offering customizable options, such as engraving names or dates, can make your products more appealing. Customers often seek unique gifts, and personalized wooden items fulfill this desire while creating added value. Selling platforms. Once you have created your wooden products, The next step is selling them. Online platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or your own website can provide significant exposure to potential customers. Local craft fairs and markets offer an opportunity to connect with buyers directly and showcase your creations. Building a brand. Establishing a strong brand can set you apart in the DIY wooden market. Consider creating a logo, packaging, and a consistent aesthetic for your products. A well-defined brand can foster customer loyalty and encourage repeat purchases. Marketing your creations. Effective marketing strategies are crucial for attracting customers. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your creations. Sharing behind-the-scenes processes, customer testimonials, and finished products can engage your audience and drive interest in your offerings. Pricing your products. Determining the right price for your wooden creations is essential for profitability. Consider the cost of materials, labor, and market demand when setting your prices. Researching similar products can provide insights into competitive pricing while ensuring you cover your expenses and earn a profit. Navigating challenges. While the DIY wooden market can be lucrative, it's essential to navigate challenges effectively. This may include competition from mass-produced items, logistical issues with shipping, or managing customer expectations. Developing strong problem-solving skills will help you overcome obstacles as you grow your business. Conclusion. A fulfilling journey. Creating and selling DIY wooden items can lead to a fulfilling journey of creativity and entrepreneurship. By focusing on quality, uniqueness, and effective marketing, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Whether you're selling at local markets or online, the joy of crafting wooden creations is matched only by the satisfaction of seeing them find new homes. So, grab your tools and let's get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on all our latest DIY projects. Let's unleash our creativity and learn how to turn wood into cash.